What's up, guys? Hey guys, welcome to World of Warpaint. Yeah, I decided that I'm gonna play today with, well, everybody, because my friend is still working. So yeah, I was thinking you would enjoy, I don't know, seeing me play. I'm not that great, and I'm still fighting sometimes against AI. I'm like, started 3 days ago. My friends showed me the game. I'm playing Italy, because, you know, Italy is enjoyable. And, well, that's it. Yeah, so let's see what we're gonna find in this interesting game. I'll cut you to the battle. Oh well, looks like we found a player game. That's my actual third time. I don't know if I'm gonna last.
Enemy armor is damaged. Enemy is hit.
Hey, little panda tree.
Penetration. Penetration. Got him. Enemy armor is hit. We didn't even scratch them. Enemy armor is destroyed.
Okay, sorry, I want to talk to you about this. Okay, sure.
Enemy armor is damaged.
I think my turn is running right now. Maybe.
One of our tracks is damaged. Enemy is hit. Enemy armor is we're dead for. Everyone get
We
out.
did some actual damage. I think.